This is the Schrade SCHF52M Frontier Fixed Blade Bushcraft Survival Knife, one of 2 blades in the SCHF52 series. Designed to suffer the harsh realities of backcountry bushcraft and survival without missing a step, the SCHF52M Frontier sports a thick, full tang, 7-inch, razor-sharp, 1095 high-carbon steel blade. To serve you well when you need it most, the drop point and large 7-inch full fine edge handle a wide range of precision tasks, like drilling, slicing, notching, and feathering, while having the guts to chop, beaver chew, and baton like a boss. The blade is protected from abuse and the elements by a tough, friction-reducing PTFE coating. Rugged, ergonomic micarta handle slabs are patterned to channel moisture, while front and rear guards ensure firm hand placement in any weather condition. Open nuts, scrape bark, and process plant material with the sturdy pommel. Wrap paracord through the lanyard hole and around your wrist for additional control. Carry the SCHF52M Frontier on any belt using the heavy-duty black woven fabric sheath with polymer insert. Release the knife with a flick, unlocking the steel snap. And to make things a little easier in the backcountry, a diamond sharpening stone and fire steel rod with striker are included in the front pouch of the sheath. Versatile, tough, and tenacious, crafted from premium materials and built for a lifetime. This is the Schrade SCHF52M Frontier Fixed Blade Survival Knife.
This is the principle from Gerber. When you're in the woods, you don't know what nature's going to throw at you. We designed the principle to meet any need. The Scandinavian grind is built to take a beating and retain its edge, but also excels at carving, whittling, and feather sticking. You don't want to carry extra gear to start a fire, so all you need is the 90-degree edge and a fire steel to throw sparks straight into your tinder. If you do manage to dull your blade, the zero edge makes it really easy to sharpen in the field. Bushcrafting demands a wide array of activities and cuts. The principle has designed-in ergonomics that make the primary 3 grips to support those methods very easy: baseball, precision, and chest lever. And the micro-textured overmold delivers comfort during prolonged use. Full-tang construction and drop point blade shape deliver incredible strength and versatility. Through-hole rivets can provide tethering in a pinch. It's important to have your knife where you want it when you need it, so we integrated a multi-mount sheath system. You can carry vertically on your belt, horizontal, or attached to MOLLE webbing. Available in 2 colors, this hard-working US-made fixed blade is designed to overcome every obstacle.
The Morakniv Bushcraft Black C is a sturdy knife with multifunctional features. The spine is ground to a 90-degree sharp angle, making it compatible with a fire starter. The 3.2mm thick blade is made of carbon steel and has a DLC coating that to some extent protects against rust. Keep in mind though that carbon steel needs to be maintained, so make it a habit to wipe your knife and oil the blade after using it. This knife has everything a real bushcraft enthusiast needs.
Jim Ankerson is a passionate student of metallurgy and its relationship to knife design and performance. Drawing from his hard-earned practical knowledge and years of knife testing experience, he teamed up with custom knife maker Darren Sanders to design a capable, all-purpose knife that is ready for anything. The province's clip-point Bowie-style blade is machined from CPM4V, a particle metallurgy tool steel enriched with vanadium and molybdenum for high-caliber strength, edge retention, and toughness. Its high saber grind balances strength and edge geometry, while its full-tang handle and contoured G10 scales safeguard a secure, hand-filling grip. Ideally suited for survival, camping, and other demanding applications, the province comes complete with a handcrafted leather sheath.
The EXF02 is a precision-built, high-performance knife designed by custom knife maker Alan Oleshowitz and created in the USA with the outdoorsman in mind. The blade is made from 154 cm stainless that is cryogenically heat-treated and comes in either a tanto with a fuller or a clip point. Each knife is honed by hand to a mirrored finish for exceptional cutting performance. All models are available with a well-wearing stonewash or a tough matte black Cerakote firearms coating. The handle is made from a durable, easy-to-clean, glass-reinforced polymer. Its molding process effectively seals and protects the knife's full-length hidden tang from the elements. The handle also contains a strategic swatch of Hogue's renowned overmolded rubber that is available in 4 colors. The EXF02 comes with a molded, super tough nylon sheath that can be attached to your belt by the 2 nylon straps or to MOLLE-compatible gear. An innovative, ambidextrous automatic retention system secures the knife, yet still allows you to easily draw and stow it, making it adaptable to any mounting orientation. The FE series are fixed-blade, close-quarter combat knives designed for professional use. Utilizing concepts by Arsenio James Advincula, the knives were executed and designed by Alabama custom knife maker Jim Hammond. The massive 1/4-inch thick blade features a recurved lower edge which cuts through and maintains edge contact better than a straight edge. The blade includes a partially sharpened top edge and, at the rear of the top grind, a Navarro hook designed to catch and snag for engaging contact with the back cut. The drop point hollow grind blade has a fine black powder coat to minimize the reflective surface in tactical situations. Time-tested 01 tool steel is hardened between 56 and 58 Rockwell to deliver exceptional field performance in a variety of combat environments. Based primarily on Largo Mano Eskrima and Ishinryu Karate, the distinctive FE handle facilitates maximum fighting efficiency in 4 grip positions. First position grip wraps the index finger around the lower guard face in the blade finger choil with the hand move forward for a compact fighting grip. Second position is the close quarter infighting grip, with the webbing of the hand choked up against the reverse curved upper guard, allowing the knife to be retained closer to the body for short striking distances while also aiding in knife retention. The primary third position grip assists in fighting an opponent who maintains distance, while the second position provides a shorter grip when the opponent moves in. These 2 grip positions are interchangeable. Fourth position grip moves the hand to the rear of the handle with the index finger in the rear finger groove for chopping efficiency and reach. The knife comes with a full-featured sheath with versatile MOLLE locks. CRKT knives and tools are fully backed by our limited lifetime warranty.
This is the Schrade SCHF57 Extreme Survival Knife, a versatile knife with the superior strength of a full tang. The SCHF27 bristles with capability, making it a knife of choice for outdoor enthusiasts prepared to face the rigors of wilderness survival. The 6.6-inch drop point blade comes shaving sharp. Pierce, slice, and chop with a fine edge. Constructed using high carbon 8CR13 Movi stainless steel, it's strong enough to baton kindling, and the titanium coating increases edge retention and corrosion resistance. Use the cutout in the spine to scrape fatwood for fire starting material. Generate sparks by using the cutout as a striker against a ferro rod. Grip the black TPE handle, even under challenging conditions, with the underside finger contours, thumb rest, and blade guard. It affords a sure grip. Choke up to take advantage of the finger choil and cutout for controlled cutting. Pull the spring-loaded pin in the handle to deploy the SCHF27's titanium-coated pry tool. Features of the tool include a gut hook, screwdriver, and 1/4-inch hex wrench. Use the ring as a tether option. Remove the mechanism to use the handle's butt as a crushing tool. Slide the nylon-filled glass fiber sheet over your belt, or take advantage of the multiple grommets and slots to lash the knife to gear or garb. Designed to see you through the unexpected, crafted from premium materials, and built for a lifetime. This is the Schrade SCHF27 Extreme Survival Knife.
This is the Doubledown from Gerber. The Doubledown is unlike any other tool in the market. It combines the features of a knife, a machete, and a hatchet all in one compact package. During development, we obsessed over durability, knowing it needed to withstand years of extreme impact while still delivering finesse. The butterfly opening mechanism has gears to enable controlled and safe deployment to nearly double in size. The Doubledown is built for 3 activities: chopping, splitting, and core knife work. For your splitting tasks, we added jimping to the spine of the blade so that when you baton, all that energy is transferred straight into the wood. Whether you're clearing brush or small trees, the length of the Doubledown optimizes your force at impact. For core knife work, choking up on the handle gives complete control over the slightly recurved blade. The quad lock system is both safe and intuitive with a built-in stop to remind users to clear their fingers from the path of the blade. For added strength and performance, features include a stability bar and an overstrike guard. It's available in 3 colors and comes with a multi-mount sheath that can be worn vertically on the belt or attached to MOLLE webbing. This hybrid tool is proudly made in the USA and ready for the outdoors.
The 863 Selkirk. This is a mid-sized knife that has great features and allows you to use it in rugged conditions. One of the key things of any knife of this size is that it has a 4 5/8 inch blade. The overall weight is 7.6 ounces. The blade is full tang construction all the way through. It features a solid guard up front and a pommel strike surface on the back to use as a hammer in light duty conditions. The blade is 420 high carbon, flat ground, and a drop point blade. It has jimping near the handle for good control. And then with any fixed blade knife, a key part of how that knife is used is how it's carried. So we've created a plastic molded sheath system that allows you to snap it into place. And along with this sheath, one of the added features is a striker whistle component that allows you to create a spark and also to signal in case of an emergency or to gather other people in your group together. So this works in combination with the knife to create sparks. So we've put a notch on the bottom of the blade instead of the back where you would put your thumb. And we don't necessarily want you using the edge of your blade because that would dull it for the uses that you need. So we've got this little notch that's sharp there, and it will spark and create the sparks you need to light your tinder and get a fire going. So with this sheath, we can put our striker and whistle back in and our knife back together. And so we've created it so that you can carry it in lots of different positions. Some people like carrying it high on their waist. Some people like carrying it a little bit lower. And it's set up, this one is set up for vertical carry. So we've got a belt loop here. And we also incorporated another feature on this belt loop. People have different size belts. And so to prevent the sheath from sliding up and down when you're pulling the blade out, we've got a spacer in here, and it can go in one of 3 positions. So if you have a very narrow belt, you can use it, or if you have a wide belt, you can take it out. This one is set up for horizontal carry. And so it's a matter of unmounting those components and rearranging them and putting them into the configuration that best suits you. I've even seen somebody take this and set it so that it works at an angle. So if you like to do things in a cross draw situation at a slight angle, it can be configured that way as well. So that's the 863 Selkirk from Buck Knives.
The Haswell knife is a hand-forged, rugged, built-to-last bushcraft knife. With a beautiful walnut handle that's held together with sturdy brass rivets, the Haswell knife is durable and features a full tang blade, tough enough to split a log. The Haswell tackles all of your outdoor knife needs and goes with you anywhere in its one-of-a-kind, handmade leather sheath. Made with 1095 carbon steel, the Haswell stays sharper longer no matter what you're cutting. Whether you're a casual camper or a seasoned bushman, the Haswell knife gets the job done and will be looking sharp a long time.